Sure. Here's the ice cream, Alice. This is even better than ice cream. A Polly Pocket. What? I thought it was ice cream. Okay, let's start. I guess I'm gonna open it. Can I help? Can I help? Yeah. Look at this. Look, this is amazing. Careful out, careful. Polly out, careful. Don't break her now. Polly, you should stick it to some of the places. Yeah. Okay, still get this thing out. You can press the little one to get out. Okay. I'm gonna draw like little Polly some tiny. I'm gonna draw like spot all like in the like leave a family picture. Yeah. This is a little tiny ice cream thing. Ice cream. I'm just gonna show you all of this. Protected in that. There's this little ice cream place that it's really cute, and then there's this like sliding door thingy. And there's opening closed door. It's really cool. And then it's just a little tiny ice cream truck. That's really cute. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give us a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. Turn notifications. See you guys later.